Servini, and I'm the lead dietitian here at Samaritan Hospital, and I'm here to talk to you today about whole grains, our superfood of the month. So what exactly is a whole grain? A whole grain is exactly what it sounds like. It's whole. It's the three parts of the grain kernel. It has the bran, the endosperm, and the germ. And so some examples of whole grains are some brown rice, we've got whole wheat bread, I've got some wheat thins, oats. These are all some examples. Also, whole grain pasta is a good example. And their counterpart is the refined grain. So when you refine a grain, you take one or two parts of the grain apart, and you get something like white bread, white rice, and we're just here to talk today about the whole grains and their benefits, because obviously they take a lot of the benefits out when they refine the grains. So whole grains are higher in protein, they're higher in good fats, they're higher in vitamins and minerals than their counterpart, and they have a lot of benefits, including reducing risk of colon cancer, reducing risk of stroke, heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and they're just overall better for you. So we encourage you to get at least 3 servings of grains a day. Encourage you to make half your grains whole. So when you're going to the grocery store, you want to make sure that you're reading the labels, because sometimes they can be mischievous with the label reading. So you want to make sure you look at the label and it says whole grains, because sometimes it can say enriched white flour, and that's not necessarily what you want to do. You want to choose the whole grain. So again, we want you to aim to make half your grains whole. Ways that you can incorporate grains in your diet is having a snack like popcorn is a whole grain, or adding some grains to your yogurt, some oats, or you could also make some brownies. They have the whole grain brownies now, which is I'm a fan of. And again, we just want you to celebrate National Nutrition Month with whole grains. Thanks.